Hey everyone, and welcome back. New to ClickUp and wondering about the different ways to break down work. In this video, I'll explain task types and the key difference between subtasks and checklists in the free plan. First, understand that a regular task is your main unit of work. In the free plan, you can create unlimited tasks. Now, to break a big task down, you have two main tools. The first is subtasks. These are full, separate tasks that live inside a main parent task. You can assign them to different people, give them separate due dates, and track them independently. Use subtasks for significant, actionable steps that need individual tracking. The second is a checklist. This is a simple list of items inside a task's description. Checklists are perfect for small, sequential steps that don't need separate due dates or assignees, like a packing list or a pre-published review list. The rule of thumb: use subtasks for things you need to manage and track separately. Use checklists for simple-to-do items that are part of completing one single task. And that's it. Knowing when to use a subtask versus a checklist will help you structure your work clearly and efficiently from the start. If you have a preference for one over the other, let me know which one and why in the comments. See you in the next one.